What's up, guys? It's Carves here. Nick, we are live. We have an Air Force mascot here for Patrick from the Air Force Falcon College. Pretty cool. Lots of nice detail to it. Cool looking bird. Copy a list here. Dice roll's got to be higher than 5 here. Seven's good. Let's do it. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Winner is spots 20, Joshua Rimpila. Welcome to the page, sir, and congrats on your first win. Something I haven't seen in a few weeks. So congrats, Josh. Verification code SHACQZ. Mr. Joshua Rimpila, spots 20. We are done. Dunsky.